The only thing that apply someone booking in the website is people that you do not know. Hindi nyo po kakilala. Random person. Just like me, example, I advertise through Facebook and they browse around my website. They book in there. Fine. Commission lang ng affiliate marketing ang makukuha ko. It's fine with me. But if this person contact me through message and ask me, how can I book? Of course, I'm gonna book them with pleasure. Kasi bakit? Dalawa. Two earnings ang mangyayari sa pagbubook ko sa kanila. I put my markup booking them as me as a travel agent, travel agency, plus you will earn an extra commission affiliate program dun sa ating website portal system.